you were telling us about price and litigation mo, yung airport.
Yes.
So, how do we go there? Yeah. Ito lang kasama to kasi
Yes.
si Wilson kanina natuwa. There's this place in China daw na hindi na kailangan ng visa for Filipinas
I
for
read
7
in the
days.
news.
Is that included, your place?
No.
Iba, tourist areas.
Tourist areas.
Yes.
Pero yung lugar mo is hindi to tourist area.
Hindi. Pero pwede naman. I mean, I think it's very easy to apply for a tourist visa. Yes. So, okay, my place, I usually have 2 flights. Wala kasi siya direct. So, my port of destination is Wuhan. Yeah, there. So, but there are a lot of, what do you call this, choices. For example, Wuhan, Guangzhou, Wuhan, Shanghai, Wuhan, Hong Kong, like that.
Yes.
And very convenient na rin siya kasi check through. So, check-in ka, and then when you arrive in the Philippines, doon mo na lang kukunin yung baggage mo. And it's also very cheap, especially when you book early. So that is why I can afford to go home twice a year kasi nga cheap din. And yun din, provided din ng employer ko yung travel allowance. My airplane allowance, yes.
Yeah, no, parang it's so exciting, no, to visit
Yes,
in
yes,
China.
definitely. Yes. I'm very honored.
Oo, pero kanina syempre nga, sabi ni Wilson, lagyan natin ng showbiz style.
Hello.
Syempre,
Showbiz editor.
makulay po ang buhay nyo. Nag-teach din po kayo sa Colegio de San Agustin.
Ah, yes.
Asia Pacific College,
also.
Magallanes, yes. Colegio de Santa Rosa in Rockwell,
Wow.
yes.
So you taught in
Seminario in Puerto Princesa, Holy Trinity University in Puerto Princesa. Madami ako na.
Because she's originally from
Pero
Palawan.
one of
Wow.
the schools na binanggit niyo po, nagkaroon ng issue lately. Tungkol sa bullying. Nireklamo ng isang actress.
Yeah, which book?
Yes.
Which book? Yes.
Sabihin ko later
Yes, yes.
sa Agustin. Kasi siya ko nakakahiya.
Yes. How is life
Pero
now?
mabas naman yun eh, tungkol kay
Sa labas.
Si Yasmin, di ba?
Yes.
Sa mga yung school, di ba?
Ano?
Tinanggal niya na yung anak niya, di ba?
What is your suggestion, Doc?
Hindi na naman sa ano, syempre, ang dami mga iba-ibang school. Syempre may mga ganyan din yung mga school, di ba? They don't really allow yung mga bullying na yan. Pero yun nga, nag-teach ka kasi sa school.
Actually, in Colegio San Agustin, or other schools then, I work as a guidance counselor
Wow.
because my
So you
master's
handle-
in psychology. So in Colegio San Agustin, Asia Pacific College, I
Yes.
work as a guidance
Yung
counselor.
time nyo, marami yung mga issue.
Nung time, may mga, yes, of course, we encountered. I think it's also a little common for their ages. So, but, well, I'm very proud to say naman that we really handled it well. Like, we really focus on issues like this, yes.
So, in China, yung sa lugar niya, may mga ganito.
Okay, in China,
And how do you address that?
How do you handle
no,
children?
we don't have.
How do you
To tell
handle it?
honestly, my students, okay, because I'm speaking from my experience, the middle school, especially, the teenagers, they are so hardworking. They're so focused
foreign
on
language.
on their studies, like no time for other things because they go to school at 6:15 in the morning, they go home at 8 in the evening.
So they study.
Yes, they stay in school. So during free time, they do their homework. Talagang they're really just focused on their studies because they have this big test which they call Gaokao, which is like the entrance test for high school. So they
Before you
really,
can enter high school.
they have
Gaokao.
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 Yes,
It's like NCEE pero for high
yes,
school.
like that. This will qualify you which university you can enter. Just one test for the whole country. Yes.
It's a the
Tapos they
choices.
will assign you kung depende.
Yes.
What quality?
Yeah, for example, you want to go to this university, so you have to pass this score. So really from from the primary school, students there are so, I am overwhelmed with their love for studying.
May nagtanong dito kay June. What have you seen in the past 13 years changes in life in China?
Okay, when I first came there, it was, since it's a small city, so limited, like for example, when it
The
comes
province,
to foreign food chains like KFC, McDonald's, yun lang yung meron. That was in 2012. So, a little challenging for me too kasi I'm used to eating, fast foods here.
Yes.
So, but now, well, there are so many malls in my city, like big malls. We have Wanda, we have Wuye. So these are the big malls, like the SM in our country. So it's there, so it's very convenient. Even the online shopping, we have this what we call Taobao. I think here, I'm not sure if it's the Lazada. Jack Ma is the owner of the before I'm not sure now, but the
Yes.
convenience, even the delivery before wala, but now talagang the convenience is
Progressive.
yes, progressive in
Your
the
13
city.
years, nakikita
Yes,
mo.
I saw this. Yes, I saw this.
High-tech now
Even
lifestyle.
even the school, my school. When I first came there, so English is not very popular. So, for example, Christmas. As
Yes.
Filipinos, we are so in love with our Christmas. We even have it in September.
Yes.
So, first Christmas ko doon, I was a little, let's say, sad. Kasi syempre, homesick.
Yes.
And what I did, I had two choices that time. Magmukmok, feel sad, no Christmas here. Or, why not bring Christmas here? So, na-shock yung boss ko, my employer, because I painted, I made the schools Christmas environment, and I introduced Christmas party, I introduced Santa Claus, I introduced gift giving, and the kids were so happy. Oh, this is like this, like that, like that.
So,
So,
in-adopt na rin nila.
yes, even the Halloween,
Bongga pa.
I painted the nun.
Alam mo, isang taon yung buhay ni Miss Mary,
Ang
Ma'am Mary, parang yung si Mila. Alam niyo yun napanood niyo yun, si Mila,
Mila.
pinagbigaan ni Marisa Soriano,
Yes.
di ba, na siya naman yung nag-adapt, siya yung
Yes.
nasa kanan, sa Nerita,
Yes.
you've seen that movie, di ba?
Yes.
Pinagkwentuhan tayo.
Yes.
O, ikaw naman, kung gagawing pelikula ang story mo, ano magiging takbo ng istorya?
Tsaka
And
sino ang
sino
artista?
gusto mo na artista magbida? Kanina sinabi mo sa akin si Divya.
Yes.
Yes, I have three
Who
choices.
actress? Who actresses?
Okay, three choices. My first is, of course, Dimples Romana. Pwede. Oh, agree. Sabi ko sa'yo. Second would be Isa Calzado. Yes. Or the third, kasi I really like how versatile she is.
Beverly
Maylin Dizon.
Beverly
Yes.
Puro,
At least bongga siya, parang pag nagtitest, di ba?
Oo.
May pagpipilian.
may hindi answer.
Yes.
How is affordability of life in China?
Wow.
Is
This is
it,
one
is it
reason.
expensive to... yes, sorry,
Ano
sorry.
magiging takbo ng... Kasi,
Yes, sorry,
ano
sorry.
magiging genre?
Of your movie.
Genre is
Yes.
definitely, it's a feel-good movie, inspirational.
Yes.
And I want to focus my story to inspire especially teachers and the students. No?
Yes.
Kasi millennials now are more of social media.
More
And
than study.
I want still to touch, the inner of the inner selves natin. And kasi it's not easy being there alone. Literally alone. Thank God I had rescued dogs. So I rescued
Wow.
dogs. I brought them here, 4 dogs. Yeah, they're home.
4 dogs?
But I rescued, yes, I didn't keep them on
Wow.
the street.
Entertainment.
I already rescued more than 15 dogs.
Wow, 15 dogs.
We make sure we're home. One of them is already in Canada.
Wow, dahil sa'yo.
Yeah.
Nakapasya everywhere.
And one of them is in USA. And then the rest, then I make sure we're home. Then the 4 are here. So
So
anyway,
nice. So nice.
Wow.
thank you.
So exciting.
Kasi syempre ako,
Bongga.
binigay sa akin, pinakapod sa akin.
Yes.
Syempre, so, nakita ko sa'yo na really have a beautiful heart.
Ah, thank you.
Bongga.
Ah,
Diba?
thank you.
You're so busy with 5 schools, but
Yeah.
you still have time for that, di ba?
Yes, I also have time for that. And I also, I make sure my my career, very balanced. So, I still have time. Talaga kasi I'm a workout buff.
Nakuha si Audrey
I-
Nervacio dito sa sinabi ng very balance.
Ah.
Mukhang meron din daw love life. Hindi mo ba may kasamang romance din?
I'm married to my job.
Parang sino na lang mga Flores. Si Wilson ganyan eh. Payaman ng payaman kaya wala siya parang sa
I'm in love with my students talaga. I even told my students like in the classroom, do you know why I'm here? You would, these are kids, money! Ganun, di ba? No, if I want money, I'll go to bigger cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and here because of you. And they can't forget that. And I'm speaking from my heart. I mean, why would I still be here? I mean, although of course the local community very helpful. Every year they visit me. They make sure I'm okay.
Considering the big schools na pinanggalingan mo dito, ang Boronga, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Oo, talagang pwede kang hindi naman mag-abroad ka, di ba? But still,
Yes.
you wanna make change to
Yes,
some
yes.
of the mga
I want, yes, innovative. And really my employer is amazing. She Miss Shong, she always makes sure I'm okay, I'm comfortable. So one of the reasons why I also stay because she made me feel like it's my second home. Stranger.
Yeah, it's also nice knowing that, kasi yung mga ibang story ng mga ibang OFW, talaga, ang mga pulong kwento na nakakawin sa atin. So it's depressing.
Yes.
But sabi mo nga, you're comfortable, very comfortable.
Comfortable, yes, comfortable. That
Of
of course,
course.
Philippines
Yeah.
there's no place like home, really. That's why I make sure I go home twice a year. Actually, last year we had the National Day, only October 1st to October 1 to 7. I went home talaga. I make sure, yes, to my sister.
Actually, at least it's so nice no? Kasi even me as a Gen Z, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo.
Yes.
Kaya ako comfortable yung
Yes.
pero syempre, iba
We can talk.
Gen Z ako.
I can adjust to that.
Yeah, pero eto, syempre, eto, susunod na magtatanong mo. So, may uncle.
Yes, columnist.
May Uncle Ogie, Nervacio.
Hello.
Columnist.
Hello, I'm Audrey from
Hello, Sir
DWAR Abante Rapo in First of all, gusto ko i-congratulate kasi nakikinig pa lang kami. Parang ang sarap-sarap na makinig dyan, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng
Exciting.
voice mo.
Thank you.
Tapos,
Amazing.
oo, so parang maiinganyo talaga yung mga estudyante mo matuto.
Yes.
Makinig. Anyway, yung question ko, ilan yung Pilipina? May kasama ka ba
Yes.
ng Pilipina?
Are there Filipinos working in the city,
Sa city?
in the school?
In the school, back in 2012, there is one, and she was the one who actually invited me, a friend, and then she invited another one, so there were 3. But now, I'm the only one, even in the city.
The only
I'm the
Filipino in
only
the city.
Filipina in the
Wow.
city, yes. That's why when I said, I'm alone there, but not lonely. I'm meaning literally alone.
Pero ang ganda ng mga privilege,
Ang ganda.
yung mga kinukwento mo, Ma'am Maria. Ang ganda ng privilege ng mga teacher.
Yes.
Sa lugar mo, kasi compared dito sa atin.
Yes.
So, but may mga, ano ka ba, parang may mga in-invite ka rin ng mga co-teachers mo na to work with you.
Okay.
Open ba sila sa ganun?
Yeah,
They
of
often
course,
do
many are
other teachers.
asking, and of course I would also give it to my boss like that. However, kasi like the visa processing get a little more strict. But yes, of course, they're very, very welcome. Yes,
Kasi parang ang sarap magtrabaho.
yes.
Well,